What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to talk about a very special holiday and its effect on the affiliate marketing and dropshipping world. So let's dive in. Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck. Alright, so here we are. We are going to talk today about the Chinese New Year, a very special holiday for a very big part of the world, and its effect on the affiliate marketing and dropshipping world, as there might be some changes which you want to be prepared for. So let's dive in. Here we go. This is an example of a Chinese New Year with that famous dragon dance, of course. So for you guys who don't know Chinese New Year, what is Chinese New Year? It's a festive holiday celebrating the new year, of course, which is the Chinese New Year on the Chinese calendar. So it's not January 1st. It's usually in February or the end of January. It's an official 7-day holiday in China, where we might have Christmas, for example, is one official holiday. The Chinese New Year in China is a 7-day official holiday. And the goal of Chinese New Year is to reunite and spend time with friends and family and loved ones, of course. So very nice. And also try to relax, enjoy, and recharge for the new upcoming year. Like this woman right here, of course. So what are the effects on the affiliate marketing and dropshipping more specifically, as dropshipping will probably feel more effects of Chinese New Year than the affiliate marketing might. But we're going to discuss it either way, since you might still find some of these points that are applicable on affiliate marketing as well. So pay good attention. First of all, stores, government facilities, postal offices, factories, and other official establishments in China are not operational. They are closed during this 7-day holiday. Some maybe even a bit longer. Some will open up right after the holidays. So pay attention to that. And also, production lines, item stocking, and customer queries are not being handled during this period. And also, banks are closed, so no financial transactions are being done. So if your affiliate network is located in China, expect to not receive that money during this holiday, as the financial transactions will not go through. So keep that in mind when you're calculating your cash flow, that you might have to wait a week longer before you receive your money from China. Also, order processing is taking longer as packages are not being handled, of course, right? Like I said, the production lines are closed. Nobody's there to handle any queries. So therefore, it takes longer to process these packages. And Chinese New Year's Eve in 2021 is on February 11th, while the holiday itself starts on February 12th till February 18th. So write those dates down just to make sure that you're all up to date and set. So you might wonder, what happens now? I've got a dropshipping business, I've got an affiliate marketing business. I rely on the Chinese market and their factories. So what do I do if they stop working for a week? Well, first of all, don't stress out. It's one of the most normal parts of life, both in China as well as the world around it, who wants to do business with companies in China. So how can you prepare yourself for the Chinese New Year? First of all, write your China-located suppliers and ask for their vacation dates and when they will be back. especially if you're a drop shipper, you want to have a good relationship with your suppliers, but also if you're an affiliate marketer who is promoting a product that is being processed in or from China, you might want to send them a message asking, okay, what dates are you guys out of office? What dates is there no production being done? How long do you expect my delay to be? And when will you be back in the work environment, starting to take care of those packages? And knowing this, of course, is very important to basically strategize your campaign and also update your customer. So here we go. Notify your shoppers, give them an ETA, and not necessarily in the way that you have to explain everything. So there's no need to tell them like it's Chinese New Year, businesses are closed, processing is down, queries are not being handled, so it's going to take longer. That's not interested to the user. The user is only interested in, when do I get my package? So instead of giving them the whole story about the origin of Chinese New Year, just tell them, instead of your package is being delivered within 15 days, just tell them your package is being delivered within 30 days, whatever, depending on what your supplier tells you from where they will be back and how long it will take them to process these deliveries coming through during the Chinese New Year. And if you do these 2 points, if you contact your suppliers and you notify your shoppers of the new ETA, then you're basically all set, right? So then it's time to make some money. So be prepared. Ask your suppliers when they will be out of office and when they will be back, how much delay you can expect on the packages that have to come from China, and communicate that to the user. That's going to be it for this one. I wish you all a very happy Chinese New Year, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.